Welcome dear viewers, it's me Bersabet live from the capital Asmara, and this is ERi-TV, bringing you the latest news from around the world. And these are the ones making the top stories for today. Festival of Colleges commences at Mainafhi College of Science. Potable water supply reached 72% in the Ansaba region. Burkina Faso and Russia enter new phase of partnership. And trade representatives of APEC member economies gather in South Korea. And your domestic reports, the 12th Festival of Colleges commenced today at Mainafhi College of Science under the theme Our Profession for Our Society. The opening ceremony was attended by ministers, senior government and PFDG officials, as well as members of the college community. The festival, which will continue until 18 May, includes cultural and artistic competitions portraying the diversity and unity of the Eritrean people, knowledge-based competitions, seminars and discussion forums, innovation and creativity displays, as well as other activities. Ms. Mansoura Ismail, head of the National Union of Eritrean Youth and Students Branch for Higher Education Institutions and SAWA, said the objective of the festival is to enhance the creativity and critical thinking of the youth, enable students to exchange experiences among themselves, solidify their unity, and promote a sense of positive competitiveness among students. Noting that about 900 students are directly participating in the festival, Ms. Mansoura called on all partners to strengthen their participation and contributions to ensure the sustainability of the program. Professor Gebrai Asgadom, Dean of the college, said the festival will significantly contribute to helping students identify their talents alongside their regular education and work towards developing them. The event featured cultural and artistic performances. Coming to Ansaba region, Mr. Zer'a Weldetensaye, head of water supply in the region, reported that over the past 34 years of independence, the coverage of potable water supply in the region has reached 72%. Mr. Zer'a noted that as a result of the government's relentless efforts and initiatives, 188 potable water projects operating through solar systems, electricity and hand pumps have been implemented. From the 292 villages in the region, 210 have become beneficiaries, indicating that the core objective is to ensure potable water supply to all villages. Mr. Zer'a said efforts will continue earnestly until complete coverage is achieved. He also urged the public to make judicious use of the water projects, ensure regular maintenance for sustainability, and called on all administrators at all levels to oversee the safety and functionality of the projects. In other news, the National Union of Eritrean Youth and Students branch in the Northern Red Sea region organized a Youth Organizations Week from 3 to 11 May. The objective of the event, conducted across all subzones of the region, was to strengthen the organizational capacity of youth organizations. The events featured various programs, including cultural and artistic performances, innovation and creativity displays, and sports competitions, among others. The heads of the organizations noted that strong efforts are being exerted to enhance the organizational capacity of the youth, and that commendable results have been achieved so far. Mr. Suleiman Yusuf, head of political and organizational affairs at the National Union of Eritrean Youth and Students branch in the region, stated that creating forums in which youth can enhance their political awareness should remain a continuous focus for the union, and called on all partners to reinforce their support for these efforts. The administrators of the subzone, for their part, expressed a readiness to support the union branches in all their initiatives. The viewers will be back shortly with their international reports and more, so stay tuned. Welcome back. Russia and Burkina Faso are entering a new phase of strategic cooperation, particularly in defense, education and commerce, the African nation's interim president Ibrahim Traore has said. The Burkinabe leader emphasized that collaboration between the two countries has significantly expanded across multiple sectors over the past 2 years. He noted that one of the most promising areas of cooperation is scientific education, especially in disciplines such as mathematics, physics, and chemistry. On the economic front, the interim president explained that the relaunch of relations with Russia is already yielding practical benefits. Products which previously passed through European intermediaries are now being exported directly to Russia. He also underscored Russia's role in supporting agricultural and domestic control over Burkina Faso's mineral wealth, particularly through education. He credited ongoing collaboration with Russia's Ministry of Education for helping train engineers and technicians to operate and maintain new industries. And today's final report, trade representatives of 21 Asia-Pacific Economic Cooperation member economies gathered in South Korea's resort island of Jeju today, May 15, to discuss multilateral trade and other cooperation agendas, including the reform of the World Trade Organization amid current challenges. The APEC grouping warned today that exports in the region will barely grow this year amid the onset of U.S. tariffs. The bloc projected exports in the region would rise by only 0.4% this year, compared with 5.7% last year, and also cut its regional economic growth forecast for this year to 2.6% from 3.3% previously. The Trump administration's sweeping tariffs have targeted more than half of the APEC grouping, where regional average tariff rates fell to 5.3% by 2021 from 17% in 1989. Now, a quick reminder of the top stories. Festival of Colleges commences at Mainefhe College of Science. Potable water supply reached 72% in the Ansaba region. Burkina Faso and Russia enter new phase of partnership. And trade representatives of APEC member economies gather in South Korea. Dear viewers, you are watching ERi-TV English news broadcast. That was it for today. We thank you for watching.